In this video, I show you how to solve Facebook is not responding problem on Android phone. For solving this, go to Play Store, search for Facebook app, tap on Facebook, up to date your Facebook app if available any update version. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Facebook, tap on Facebook, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, tap on manage space. Now tap on delete app data, tap on delete. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Facebook app. Now I hope that this method fix Facebook is not responding problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Tomal's Guide.